Hi, it's JC here from Go 24/7. We've installed a little booster pump here today that we've just reconditioned. It was the cap that went, and then we installed a new piece of cable, and as you can see, it's got a little automatic flow control on the top there, and yeah, that basically just switches on and off your water running into the house. What they have here is they've got a problem with pressure in the house. So basically, when the council has no pressure coming from the council side, they just have this booster pump that pumps the pressure up to 4 bars so that they have sufficient pressure that gets supplied from these tanks. Next to it, it's an irrigation pump that also pumps the pressure up to 4 bars into the irrigation system so that the irrigation can have sufficient pressure to spray. That's it. For any work, please phone us on 071 402 9988. Thank you.
When I am king, surely I would need a queen and a palace and everything, yeah. And now I am king, and my queen will come at dawn. She'll be waiting in Kingston Town. Oh, Kingston Town, the place I long to be. If I had your word, I would give it